Hi there, my name is Tyler and I'm going to show you how to get started with Git and GitHub. I'm not going to go into any detail whatsoever, I'm just going to show you how to get started. First, I want you to make sure that whatever project you want to upload to GitHub is on your desktop, just so you can easily follow along. And we will be using Terminal, so that's frightening for some people, but again, just type in exactly what I'm going to tell you to type in and you should be fine. And first and foremost, it's important to understand that Git and GitHub are two different things. Git is what's called a version control system. GitHub is where you store your repository, is what they call it, on the web. So let's go ahead and just quickly get started. Go to github.com, create an account, and eventually you will land on this page right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this new repository button, and alternatively you can click this plus button right here, new repository, and it's asking me to sign in. Let's go ahead and sign in. Repository name, I like to keep this the same name as my project folder, and inside this folder I just have a couple files here, index and style. I'm a web developer, so this should look familiar if you are too. And I'm just going to call this Git _ Quick Start. You cannot have two words not or separated by a space, so just throw an underscore in there. And it has to be public if you sign up for a free account. We're going to create this repository, and essentially we're going to follow along with all of these commands right here. But they missed a very important command, so I'm going to show you how to get rocking and rolling. So let's open up Terminal, and if you've never seen Terminal before, just follow along exactly as I describe. I'm going to type in CD, which stands for Change Directory to Desktop, and you can see right here I'm now on the desktop. Now I'm going to change directories to Git Quick Start. You can verify that right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Return, nothing happens. We're going to do git init. Init stands for initialize. We're going to initialize the repository. Again, you don't have to understand a damn thing I'm saying. And we're going to add a readme.md file. If you're not familiar with what .md means, it's just simply a text file. You can view it in any text editor. Now I'm going to show you something interesting. If we go git status, we're going to see that we added this file readme.md, and these untracked files in red, we haven't added those yet. And I don't know why they did not include this. I wouldn't have to make this video if they did. But the next step here is to type in git add -a, which stands for all. Now if we go git status, we can see that we've added these two new files. Now we can move on to committing this, and I will leave this up to you to scour the web. Oopsie daisy, what did I do? Yep, okay, so it just kind of went super quick. So 3 files change. Let's go git status. So we're all good. Now we are going to link this to github.com. So your URL here is going to look different from mine. Simply copy and paste, hit return. And now we're gonna, this is the command that actually pushes it to the cloud. Copy, paste, return, and this should be super quick. That's it. So if you don't like Terminal, if it scares you, you can take comfort in closing it down. Now, let me blow this up a little bit. If we go to, you can just click on your link here. You will notice that you have whatever was in your folder on github.com. Congratulations.